Social media da lakpa tongan ba wakatsingda yumpham oiraga laibak asigi bureaucrat officer kungi mathakta scrutiny chathaba hokre hairi Union Public Service Commission na loba Civil Services Examination da reservation phangnabagi damak sasinnaba income amasung disability certificate sing thajillakhi haibagi wathok ama social media da paktak nana sandorakpadagi laingakna hiram asida mityeng changba hokibani haina official amana phongdorakli Scrutiny adu IAS, IPS amadi IRS officer sing yauna jahi kayagi mamangdagi Union Government ki service tawraklaba officer sing su yauri Thizinba aduda officer ayamba chingnaningai oiba khudam changdam amata phangdrabasu office amagi mathaktadi investigation chathari hairi pau asina makhatana hai kumja lising ani kun marigi civil services examination pass tawkiba candidate lising ama supna mapanna thajillakhiba income caste amasung physical disability gi documents singi manungda officer nimphugi documents sing check tawki hairi ngarang pangthokhiba paugi mifam amada Personnel and Grievances ki Union Minister of State Jitendra Singh Nahai complaint lakhiba singgi mathakta investigation chathaba loire adum oinamak issue asi yamna chawba maramna ministry khaktada thadokpa yaroi masidi khunai asigi miyamna mateng pangsinba changi kumja lising ani kunnithoi gi civil services examination da IAS probationer oina lakhiba Puja Khetkar PWBD amasung OBC gi sasinnaba certificate sing pishil lambage dama kumja lising ani kun marida pharaga mahaki mathakta criminal case ama loss tawkhibani thodok adugi matungda pangthokba recruitment sing dadi Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration na akhannaba miyeng thamduna lakribani social media da lakhiba wakasing adugi matung innade hojek service da lairiba officer 15 rom sasinnaba documents sing sijinnaduna reservation gi khudong chaba lauduna leire haina maral sirakhibani hainasu mahakna makhatana phongdokhe